Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Yasmin. Today I did a Valentine's Day look for you. I used a lot of pinks, which I normally do not do, but I just wanted to do something super flirty and romantic. I focused a lot on like dewy, glowing skin and then just like some shimmer on the eyelids and a nice glossy lip. If you want to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I did one eye off camera just because I wasn't too sure exactly what kind of look I was going for, and this is what I came up with. And then I also have a little bit of foundation on, and then I have my brows done as well. So we're just going to start off. We're going to dip into this color by ColourPop right here. So I'm just going to put that in my crease. Focusing it mostly on the outer corner. And then bringing a little bit into the inner half of the crease. And I am going to slightly wing it out. I'm just going to keep building it up until I get it to where I want it. Now I'm going to mix these two colors from the Sephora Pro palette. I'm going to go in with... So I'm going to mix this pink and then this like fuchsia color right here. I'm going to mix them two together. And I'm really just going to focus that on the outer corner right here. So right here, just build up the outer V. And I forgot to mention the brush I'm using is the Morphe M507. It's just this brush right here. There you go. So I am bringing that into the inner corner as well. I'm just making sure it's blended down here. And then I'm going to go back in with the other blending brush, which is the Morphe M441. Make sure everything's blended. I'm gonna go back in with that color by ColourPop, just right above that pink. Now I'm gonna go in with this color right here. Let's see, right there. Center and then work my way in. So pretty. And then I'm going to go in with the Morphe M124. I'm just going to take that color and pack it onto the inner corner. I'm going to go back in with the Morphe M507 with those two pink colors. And I'm just going to bring that a little bit more towards the inner corner. Just to bring some more definition. Just a little bit. And I'm gonna go ahead and reapply more of the glittery pink color. For the inner corner highlight, I'm gonna take the color Ice. It's like a glittery white color. Plop that right in there. And guys, I didn't even wet my brush. Do you see like how pigmented that is? So pretty. And then to add more definition to my lash line, I'm just gonna take a dark brown and kind of smoke it out on the lash line. Just a little bit. You could just take any like dark chocolate brown color. On the outer corner right here. Alright, I'm gonna tightline with the Marc Jacobs highliner. If you can focus, that would be great. In Blacker. I'm gonna go in with the lashes. Let's see. These are Genie by Lash Dreams. I'll leave a link for them down below. I don't know if you could see that. Can you see them? Focus. You see like how fluffy they are? Okay, so I'm gonna try to put these lashes on camera. We'll see how it goes. So I'm using the MAC lash applicator, and I get my mirror and I look down into my mirror. That way I could just like lay it right on top. I like to secure it on the outer edge. And then going onto the inner corner. Voila, lashes are on. Okay, so now that for the most part my eyes are done, I'm gonna go ahead and start prepping my skin. I'm gonna take the MAC Fix Plus right here. I'm just gonna spray my face with that. Just for some extra hydration. And for foundation, I wanted my skin to be like super dewy, super glowy, a little more on the natural side. So I'm gonna go in with the MAC Face and Body right here. I'm just gonna take that. I'm in the color C5. I'm just gonna go ahead and dot that all over my face. This is like extremely light coverage, but it looks so pretty on the skin. And I'm gonna take my L'Oreal's Beauty Sponge and just blend that in. Don't forget to take it down your neck, and then also onto your ears. Get your baby hairs out of the way. And then I'm gonna go in with 2 concealers today. I'm gonna take the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Golden 40. And this is pretty close to my skin color, so I'm just gonna take that under my eyes just to color correct a little bit. And then I'm gonna mix that with the Sephora Bright Future Gel Serum Concealer in the color 11. I'm gonna go ahead and put that under my eyes. And then down the bridge of my nose. And then on my forehead. I'm gonna take my beauty sponge again and just blend blend that out. Since I want more of like a glowy look today, I'm just gonna set the areas where I get oily, and I'm using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Medium Golden. And I'm taking the e.l.f. blush brush, just setting under my eyes, around my mouth, go ahead and set my nose, and then my forehead. For bronzer, I'm going to go ahead and take MAC's Give Me Sun, and I'm taking a Real Techniques powder brush. I'm just gonna, since I didn't set those areas, I don't like to swipe, I like to pat it a little bit more, or else it gets a little like muddy. And then the forehead, since I got a big forehead. For highlight, I'm going to use an oldie but a goodie MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Soft and Gentle. You see that? Look how pretty that is. I haven't used this in forever. And on my chin. I'm going to go ahead and take a smaller brush, just the small eyeshadow packing brush. And I'm going to do tip of my nose and then down the bridge. And then for blush, I'm going to take the Morphe E53 brush. First, I'm going to go in with this Milani blush in Romantic Rose. It's just like a nice muted pink. And I'm gonna put that on the apples of my cheek and then bring it back. And then to add even more of a glow, I'm gonna go in with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Lust. It's just this really pretty pink color. Just as like a blush topper. And just to like melt everything together, I'm gonna go on again with my MAC Fix Plus. Alright, so I'm just gonna go back to the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the lower lash line. I'm gonna take this white eyeliner by Makeup Forever in the color M16. And I'm gonna go in my waterline. Just to give like that really pretty doe-eyed look. And then right under that, I'm gonna go in with the color Caroline from the Sephora Pro palette, the same color I used on my lids. And I'm just gonna put that on my lower lash line. And just make sure to always connect your lower lash line to your eyeshadow on your lid. Then I'm gonna add mascara to my top lash line and my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna move on to my lips. I'm gonna go in with the MAC lip pencil and strip down, just line my lips. Alright, and since my lips are really dry, I'm just gonna go in with the lip gloss. This is the NYX Butter Gloss in Creme Brulee. It's just like a nice pinky nude tone to go along with the rest of the pink vibe we got going on. Okay, so this look is pretty much done. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my hair and change, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I just threw some waves in my hair, and then I also changed my shirt. Right here, it's just like a blue and white striped button-up shirt that I kind of threw off the shoulder. I really hope you like the look. I wanted to do something that was super like flirty, romantic, since Valentine's Day is coming up. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell. And I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.